for calling this mile. May I have your itinerary number? Yes, thank you. My itinerary number is 1415-241C-9845. Thank you very much. Well, I'll pull up your itinerary. May I have your full name? My name is Chacha Capusano. Thank you, Cha. I have itinerary up, and for verification, may I please have your email address? It's chacha@peoplesupport.com. Thank you. I see that in your itinerary, you have a flight booked from Los Angeles to New York on the 1st of August by Western Airlines. The flight departs at 10 a.m. and you have not booked a returning flight. How may I help you with this itinerary? Yes, I received an email stating that the flight had changed, and I wanted to know what the changes were. Well, I can definitely look that up for you, Cha. One moment, please. Well, I'll pull up the record of your flight from our back system. While I do that, though, is there anything else that I can look up for you? No, not at the moment. Thank you. Okay, so thanks for waiting. I already pulled up a record of your flight, and I see that Western Airlines received your flight on the 1st of August, but has changed the time from 10 p.m. to 12 p.m. Would you like to confirm these changes? Oh, that's fine, as long as it's on the same date. Can I change the time to an earlier time, though? I can look that up for you. One moment, please, while I check the fare restriction of your ticket. Thanks for waiting, Cha. I checked the fare restriction for your ticket, and if you want to reschedule your flight, you must do so at least 24 hours from your original scheduled departure. The change penalty is $100. Possible fare difference. Would you like to confirm the exchange? No, not at the moment. Thank you. No problem. Give me a short few moments to confirm the flight from Los Angeles to New York on the 1st of August at 12 p.m. via Western Airlines. In the meantime, would you like to consider a hotel or a car reservation? No, thank you. I've already made previous arrangements. Okay, I actually already confirmed the flight. Please remember to arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before your scheduled departure. And since it's the 8th ticket, please remember to bring any state-issued ID with you for verification. Is there anything else that I can help you with? No, thank you. You've been most helpful. You're most welcome. Thank you for calling, Cha. Have a nice day.